Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to set up one-handed keyboard in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then click on general, and in general find keyboard and open it. And then you can see the option one-handed keyboard. Simply click on one-handed keyboard, and then you can see one-handed keyboard will be turned off. And if you want to set up one-handed keyboard, then simply you can select left or right. You can select here one-handed keyboard, and the another way to set up one-handed keyboard, then open any app and click on it, and here you can see the global icon. Press and hold on it and then scroll down, and here you can see these three options. Here you can set up your one-handed keyboard. So this is the way to set up one-handed keyboard in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.